Kim Townsel here. Join me as I share the contents of my June IPSY bag. Remember that it's free to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you'll check in the text below and in the comments, I'll share the link where you can join IPSY for yourself or someone else. Let's see what's in this bag. That's a little fun, isn't it? This is a bag I'll take to school and put in my treasure box for one of my students to choose as a gift. June 2021 is due you. Here's a list of the contents. A Glam Glow Super Mud Mask, Pore Professional by Benefit, Pore Minimizing Setting Spray, a Purlisse Pineapple Cleansing Gel, a Barrier Serum, and another pair of tweezers. This is the second pair of tweezers I received from them, and I have a pair of tweezers from Tweezerman I really like. We'll see how these go. We have the Benefit Pore Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. A multitasking mist that leaves the skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. A locks on makeup for 16 hours. Instantly blurs pores. Alright, that's great. Alcohol free. And after applying makeup, shake well and spray over face. Interesting. From Hollywood, California, we have Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Use a thin layer, 5 to 20 minutes, 1 to 3 times a week. It's a little runny. That smells kind of fresh. It doesn't smell like mud at all. Purlisse, I like all of these products by this manufacturer that I've used so far. Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel cleanses and hydrates. That's quite thick. Doesn't have a strong odor. I like facial cleansers, so I look forward to using that as well. A barrier serum by Even Prime. Apply a small amount evenly to face and neck. Use daily after cleansing and toning. I like serums. It's a little runny. Oh, it feels nice and thick though. No odor. Look forward to using that. Last but not least, our tweezers by Farrah. Nice little package. I had to get scissors. I guess we have to cut this open. This is an interesting design. You have the slanted on one end and the sharper ones on the other end. Nice. I enjoy these after all. Here are the contents of my June 2021 IPSY bag. I look forward to using those. Stick around and I'll show you how I use these and give you my opinion. As I said, this serum was a little runny. I couldn't tell that it did anything to my skin over the 3 or 4 days that I used it, but I'm of the camp that something is better than nothing. The facial scrub turned out to be quite fresh. I really like the pineapple smell of it. It cleans well. It doesn't leave a residue on my face, so it's good to go. The charcoal mask the smell is actually licorice, and the longer that I left it on, the stronger the licorice smell became. I do like the feel of the mask and the way that the mask works. The smell is just overpowering. Check in the comments below the video as well as in the text below the video, and I'll share my link in case you want to try IPSY for yourself or someone else. It helps me out a little bit. Smells so good. The tweezers were a big no-no. I couldn't get either end to work while holding the pointy ends. They stuck in the palm of my hand, so I would not recommend anyone buy those. Spraying on this super setting spray, I couldn't really tell that it did anything. It just kind of put some mist on your face, but I couldn't tell that my makeup lasted any longer. Thanks for watching my video about the June IPSY bag. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share the video if appropriate. And if you'll check in the text below this video and in the comments, I will provide my link where you can join IPSY for yourself or someone else and get $12 full of surprises. $12 full of fun every month. Until we meet again, let's just help each other with surprises and making life enjoyable. Bye. If you have time before you go, watch the video. Thank you. Bye.